Hello, everyone. My name is Matthew Daley, and I'm extremely excited for being in this class. And haven't really ever done my own video bio, but this is different. And when I told my son I was about to make a YouTube video, he got all excited, thinking it was going to be one of those crazy gadgets or video game YouTube videos. And then I broke his heart when I told him it was just me talking about myself. I grew up in a small town called Preston, Idaho. Um, it got its place on the map with the movie Napoleon Dynamite. I actually went to school with a lot of people who were in that movie and the guy who created that movie. I currently now live in Santa Maria, California, which I absolutely love. Had I known before now that the weather was so awesome here, I probably would have moved here a while ago, but it's only been 18 months now. I have two family pets. I'm very particular with the breed of English Mastiffs, and my oldest dog is Zoe, who is roughly 7 years old. Yeah, 7 years old now. And Sadie, she's a mix, smaller dog, and she's a couple years old. I have a beautiful family. I've been with my wife married for over 16 years now, and we have three beautiful children: Cheyenne, Sierra, and Zachary, in that order. So the baby happens to be Zach. My occupation right now is a great job. I get to work as a lead direct support professional, working with adults with learning disabilities. And actually, I just started this job on Monday, so my week has been kind of hectic trying to figure out my role there, and then also trying to get this balance in school. But I'll get there and keep chipping away at the school because I got some pretty lofty goals that I'd like to accomplish. That being said, I would like to become a clinical psychologist, and my dream job would be to work with veterans from the military due to my service in the military and wanting to understand PTSD some more, and also helping people who have PTSD, since I've seen that afflict many people, including myself. Best vacation I've ever been on was a cruise to the Bahamas. Nothing better than all you can eat food and stopping at beaches and hanging out and parasailing and uh, jet skis and all that fun stuff. If I had to go on a dream vacation, it would definitely be to go visit Ireland. A lot of my ancestry comes from Ireland, and I would like to just go look at the roots that before my family came over here to America. Adults that have influenced me. I mean, a lot of them come from my Army career. I have had great leadership training from many great first sergeants and sergeant majors, and some of them are still with us, and some of them are gone. But I definitely get to cherish those skills that they taught me as I was going through my 15-year career. Um, and also, since I've started academics, I've had two great teachers that have influenced me a lot. One was Dr. Conley. I took a human service class with her, and Professor McNeil, who taught two of my sociology classes, and they were two great individuals who have been willing to help me, especially now that I'm trying to apply for a master's program after after August when I complete my degree in psychology. Um, Number one thing on my bucket list is probably a typical one. I still haven't been skydiving in my life, so I would like to try out skydiving and see what the thrill is all about. I'm extremely excited to be starting this class. Sorry, I'm in my workout clothes. I needed to get this done, and I just got done, and I got some more work to do. But I really look forward to working with everybody here, and hopefully we can all learn from each other, and I can get something from you, and you can get something from me. Thanks. Have a good day.